Today I'm going to show you how to naturally remove dark circles in Photoshop. With the background layer selected, press Ctrl or Command and J, to make a copy. Now, select the background layer again, and click on the New Layer button to create a layer between them. Select Layer 1, and then go to Filter, and then Convert for Smart Filters. To convert it into a smart object, hit OK. And then go to Filter again, Other, and then, High Pass. Now, keep the value 0.1, keep on increasing it. Stop at the point where you begin to see the dark circle. So, I'm going to stop at 1.7, hit OK. Now, change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Hold the Alt or Option, click on the line between these two layers. Just like that. Select Layer 2. Select the eyedropper tool. Make sure the sample in current and below, and the sample size is 5 by 5. Take the brush. Zoom into the eye bag. Hold the Alt or Option. Sample from the brighter area. Then, just paint on a darker area. Now, it is too much. Decrease the flow to somewhere around 5%, and do the same. Keep on doing it and you will easily, naturally, very nicely, beautifully, remove the dark circle.